Your Excellency, I have the honour to present a letter of credence addressed to His Excellency by the President of Ireland, accrediting me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary to the Republic of Fiji, and also a letter of recall from our predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji, and I wish you a happy and successful. Please convey to the President, the government, the people of Ireland, our most wishes for continued well-being and